Then next, after selecting your required field, what you have to do is to create on this to generate an Infoset query. You can see the red button here. This is to generate the Infoset query. These are the warnings, so it's okay. Save. Now you can see Infoset query is successfully generated. Now you have to go back. Here you can see if, for example, there is an Infoset query here, which we have created. We have just created this, and using the BSIS field as a basis field, and author is this, and now we have to assign the user role here. You can see the role or user group assignment here. Click on role or user group assignment, and here we have to find our user group which we created. That was that IS US. UG. So here you can find our user group here. So you click on the user group and save it. Now new assignment has been saved. So once you assign your Infoset query to the user group, you can go back and in order to create a query in ECC itself, you have to go to the transaction code SQ01. So here you say now you click on the Infoset query button here, down here. You have this Infoset query assigned here. For the user group ISUG. If you want to change the user group, you can change it, but you will change the Infosets here if you change the user group. There are a lot of user groups. Just like that, you can see all the items which are available in user group. Whenever, for example, you create one user group and you will just add up any, I mean, whenever you create infosets, you add up those infosets to the user group. That is why we create user group once. Here, this is the user group I have created for the sample. So this is our Infoset query and user group which we just created now. So click on this. So it will be displayed here. So this screen you have to see like you have this is the Infoset query. So this is where we are going to create the query. You have on the left hand side you have the fields from the field group. Expand those field groups. You will see the fields available in our Infoset query. and we have selected and generated these Infoset queries. Now you have two options here. One is to for the selections and one is for the output. Here, for example, I want to select general ledger, account, and fiscal year business area as planned as a selections. So for the output that I want to display here in the ECC, I want to display all the outputs here, all the info objects here. Like you can see here the mini, you can at the same time you can display. You can see the display here. There is some data. So this is the basic list here. So here when you create the output, all the output will be displaying. Now after clicking your desired output, your desired fields here, you have to click on the output. Here we want the output, we want to see 1000 records. Why is it not displaying the output? So we want to do the selections. Let me select by fiscal year wise. So there is no data for the 2001. Let's do something. let's not use anything here. Let's get this selection. Hmm. Let's take it from here now. 0050. For some reason it is not giving us the output, but this is the procedure.
There's no like refresh.
Yeah, refresh is there, but we are trying this, right? Just add it again.
Okay.
Because you can see the gen data here, the year is 0003 and 05. Company codes are like this. It has to display whatever it is. Okay, let's keep this and